flipping back over to, can I do this online? Can I close remotely if I can't be there in person?
Yes, absolutely. We always like that personal interaction, and
Of
there's a lot
course.
of, yeah, and there's a lot of steps, a lot of conversations that need to happen before we physically sit down to the closing table, meaning that we prepare the
Right.
paperwork and we're signing. So the beauty of today is that we can do all of that virtually with virtual meetings. So we can schedule Zoom, we can schedule FaceTime, whatever meeting is available to you. We can have those conversations virtually.
Hmm.
And then when we get ready to actually go to closing, we can either email the documents to you, or even in some cases, email through DocuSign, so it's all electronic signature, and still be able to have a virtual meeting with you where we can walk you through the closing paperwork and make sure that you're comfortable understanding what documents you're signing, when, where, and all of that. So we can definitely work with you remotely and still have a very efficient and fun closing for you.
Definitely making it easy for the customer.
That's
So,
what it's about, all of it. All of the services we provide are
yep.
truly about the experience and the ease.